nothing more important than going home. Home is everything to everybody. You know, it's where you lay your head. It's where you have good conversations over the dinner table. It's where you cuddle up on the couch and have movie night and moments that just can never be replaced. Home is everything to me personally, but also I want other people to have it. Some of the things that keep me up is the world that we live in. I think that it's important to be a good neighbor and a good steward of what we've been given. I believe a kind word can make someone's day, turn their day from not being so good to being fabulous. I just think it's important to love our fellow man and to be out there and do the best we can by everyone. And that's really what I believe my business is. I am known in this area for looking at other people's loan estimates and quotes and letting people know that sometimes I'm not the best lender for them, somebody else may be. I have no problem telling you that I won't do your loan. And I do it because I know if it's not doing the right transaction for the client and doing right by their family, I'm not saying others won't do the transaction, but I won't. I've had some challenges that have taught me that, you know what, it's okay just to sit back and breathe and everything will be okay. The greatest gifts I ever got in my life were my children and my grandchildren. But also being able to build a work family that can, bar none, that is the best. I can pick up the phone at any time, need something from them, and they're there. So I'm extremely proud of the family I've built personally and professionally. There were a lot of hard knocks and bruises, but they were worth it. And they taught me valuable lessons that I've been able to share with other people. And to me, that's more powerful. Some of the struggles were being a woman in this industry and being a strong woman in this industry. That's not always welcome and we're here in the South, and I'm going to speak to it. It's a man's world when I got into it, and it was predominantly men. And it was, you had to fight and call and get your way up. And, you know, I didn't get respect when I deserved it sometimes, and sometimes I got the back of people's hands. But then I had people that helped me through years of this business that held their hand out and helped me up, educated me, taught me things that I needed to know. And earlier, when I got into this business, you know, I took a 3-day course and boom, I was a loan officer. And let me assure you, I was not a loan officer. I had so much to learn, and I've had a lot of people help me through the way. And I've also tried to turn around and help others. This is a phenomenal business, and there's so many great parts of it. But as any industry, there are people that do come ill-prepared and aren't willing to grow and learn, and that affects others' ability to get home. I am one of the top loan officers in the country. My services, bar none. Every transaction I do, I look to see how it can be better. How can I make a client's experience better? Whether it's through education, it's taking late night calls, taking calls over the weekend. I want their experience to be fabulous. This is kind of a quick thing, and it's a lot, and it's a big purchase. You know, I'm not asking you to wear a pair of shoes that, oh, I'll just throw those away. This is your home, right? So we want to make sure that we've got you in a financial product that long-term will be beneficial for you and your family. And in the United States, it's been the #1 way people have gained wealth for years. If they've worked at a, you know, and had a mortgage previously with a big bank or maybe a small brokerage company, they may not have gotten the service that I require my team to give. And my team does it freely. These guys are rock stars that work along with me. I'm very fortunate every day to be able to work with them. But our #1 priority is that we educate and communicate with clients, and we close on time. I mean, that's everything to a client. And interest rates aren't everything in this transaction. There's a lot of ways that you can get a lower payment without having the lowest rate. I am available to my clients 24/7, anytime in the transaction. I don't do no. I say that all the time. There are some times that a transaction can't be done, but I never leave my clients without hope and promise and a direction. The best way to call us is through our team line at 919-234-7415. I'll be reached by email if you just do team@thesherryrianoteam.com. And then again, also they can reach me at my website at thesherryrianoteam.com.